This is one of my favorite knife brands that are out there just because of the accessories that you get and the case that it comes with. But more than that, the actual quality and the style of the knives. So they have a ton of different styles, and I love this one. This is a black stealth. Woo, look at that blade. Woo, that is nice. So I love it. The grip is nice. The weight is nice. So with this one, you just press on the side and that allows you to drop the blade. You can also flip the blade up by pulling right on here, and that flips that blade up. So let's go ahead. Sharpness test from factory. So that is a trading card. Easily cuts through. We can go ahead and try two. It's going to be a little hard to hold two, but there's two. Easily cuts through 2 cards, no problem. I mean, we can even just do a whole stack. Now, it's hard to hold it just because it wants to like bend, but a big stack of cards right from factory. Always not, I don't know how I can hold this. You know, we gotta watch our fingers, but all right, so that was hard to hold, but as you see, straight through like butter, and that's from factory. Always really nice knives. I think you guys are going to be very happy. It's one of my favorite brands, and I think over time you guys will have it for your favorite as well.